Employer evaluations. What are employer evaluations? An employee evaluation or performance review is the assessment and review of a worker's job performance. New employees are often evaluated for the first time at the end of their first 90 working days. Most companies have an employee evaluation system where employees are evaluated on a regular basis, which is often once a year. So why are employer evaluations important? Many companies tie their annual raises to the employee evaluation. They remind workers and their supervisors of the employment expectations and worker behaviors. They provide feedback on how the worker is performing their duties. They reinforce competency, and they suggest areas for improvement. Some companies ask the employee to do a self-evaluation prior to the supervisor evaluation to allow the employee to recognize the good work that they have done and to self-reflect on areas of improvement. Now let's take a look at a couple evaluation samples. Pause the video and take a look at Sally's evaluation. Now, here we have Michelle's evaluation. Pause the video to take a look at her evaluation. Now, let's review both sample evaluations. What are some of the differences between the two evaluations? What do you think Michelle should do? What do you think Sally should do? What would you write in the employee comment section for each sample? Now, it's time for an activity. Complete the blank employee performance review attached. Consider, what are your areas of strength? In what areas do you see a need for improvement? How might you set a goal to work on that area? So what happens if you get a poor evaluation? First, take a deep breath. Discuss the areas of improvement with your supervisor. Ask for specific information. Ask for assistance in making a plan to improve. And work on the plan and ask for frequent feedback. Thank you. This concludes our lesson for employer evaluations.